What's up, guys? Saulius, I'm back again. So today we're going to play shooting zombie, aka zombie war. Yeah, shooting zombie, aka zombie war. So please subscribe. We lost of state 67. Yep, 67. So please subscribe. We complete state 66. Though it is too difficult, that made me rage. Thank you, game. So let's max out ammo. Finally, after all that disaster, finally. So now we're going to try use damage. Why? Because for this. How attack you twice? No, that was so fake. But just will possibly reloading this one. Nope, the game developed. Fuck you. This guy's son of a bitch. Thank you, game. Alright, let's upgrade damage. I need damage. Seriously, the game needs a puzzle to win. Wow. But I'm died now! Falling, I survived, you piece of crap! How I died so clinically? Nah, that was so fake. I'm not accept this shit so much. How I lose XP so hard and I'm dead? Nah, I'm not gonna accept. That was so fake. I'm not accept this shit. Like, what the fuck, game developer? Like, what the fuck? Just die already, fat boy. Thank you. Fuck you, game. I did not die this game. Fuck you, man. Oh, yup, this is a bullshit. No, not this. I remember why my frame rate issue problem. This is bullshit. Die, fat boy. Oh! You're kidding me, man. I can only use this as no, I mean shotgun. Oh no! You kidding me? The game decided another one. Another one! Filha puta, game! What the fuck, game? I was shooting! Fuck this. Next! Yup, no boss. Oh my, yup, this game sucks. Oh my god. No, I'm not playing the shotgun this stage. I'm going to beat all shotgun and then I'm going to reach SMG and I had enough of this shit. Like, are you kidding me, man? Thank you. We maxed out damage. Okay, finally, no more disaster. Oh no, not this one. I know that place. Oh. Yup, this game sucks. Next. You know, I'm going to post 2 videos. I'm not doing this shit. Like, are you kidding me? This would be shotgun? Fuck this game. Next. Oh my god, look at this stage. I have to beat all of. Fuck this game. Bro, I hate this. Alright, next. Oh my god, I need to reach this boss and done. You know, fuck these shits. I'm not doing it, man. I'm going to post 2 because I'm not going to post a lot because it's too many. wrong. Next. Oh, fuck you, real dudes. I have to do same thing with shotgun. Nah, I hate this game so much. Son of a bitch game! I want Uzi weapon and that's it. I hate this. That's it! No! What the fuck? No! Thank you. Next! Two more left and done. Oh my god. And do not forget these. I hate zombie girl. Oh, you kidding me? Why the heck just spawned? Thank you. My gosh, this game sucks, man. No! I want to see this. Yup, cause that for oh my, this game sucks. I have to get Ozzy and done. You know, God, dude, we're gonna end video, so I will say goodbye, Saulius, and see you tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. Ciao, Saulius.